Hey, what's going on, guys? This is David. So I've noticed that I've been having a lot of issues with my watermark for my YouTube videos. And in the last couple of days, I've tried everything that I can think of. Going into my settings, trying to see maybe I've overlooked something. And it just got so frustrating that I had to contact Google customer support through online chat. And they told me they would get back with me with a solution. 2 days later, they hit me back with an email, and they tell me that I have to go into my settings to make sure that my videos are set to age restriction. Okay, so here is my Chromebook. What I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna go into YouTube, okay? And I'm gonna show you exactly what I did. And it's not really that difficult to do. It's very simple. So once you get into YouTube, just go into your Creator Studio. Once you go into your Creator Studio, you want to go into your videos, which is right here. Okay, go into your videos. And then I'm going to use my first video as a demonstration. It's not going to hurt anything. So right here, as you can see, it says 18 only. So what I went ahead and did was I went into the details and I clicked on it. Now, if you scroll down where it says right here, yes, it's made for kids, or no, it's not made for kids, I had to check no, it's not made for kids. Now, this is entirely up to you if you want to go this route, which is called age restriction. Basically, what it means is if you click on it, it will tell you whether or not if you want 18 plus to view your video. So I went ahead and hit no. Don't restrict my video to viewers over 18. You can either check no or you can check yes. Either way, it's not going to hurt your video. But if you go ahead and mark no, it's not made for kids, and then go straight up here to save. Once you do that, you can go back into your actual channel. And I'm going to go ahead and find the LG G6 video. And then I'm going to show you what my watermark shows.
Hey, what is going on, everyone? Welcome back to Tech for You, Tech That Matters.
So, as you can see right here, the watermark actually showing. This is the problem that I had before. It was not showing up in my videos. As soon as I made those adjustments, my watermark was showing back up. So after all this time, if I'd have known it was that easy, I would have just done it in the first place. But I could not find any answers on Google search, YouTube search. None of the fixes that was out there was working. Now I have Chrome OS, so if you guys have Chrome OS or Windows 10, whatever the case, whatever you're using, regardless, this is going to work for your PC. Regardless if it's a desktop or a laptop, regardless on what Windows version you're running, Chrome OS, Windows 10, etc. This is going to work for you. Now, before YouTube decided to make these new adjustments for the age restrictions, I've never had an issue getting this watermark to show up in my videos. And now that I actually found out how to fix this issue, watch the video, set your age restrictions. If you don't want your watermark showing up in your videos, just go ahead and hit yes, it's made for kids. If you do want your watermark to show in your videos, go ahead and say no, it's not made for kids, and then your watermark will show up. So if you found this video helpful, hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And I also have conversations going on inside my YouTube community. Go check that out. I want to get to know all of you guys out there. So other than that, I'm gonna let you go, and I'm gonna go ahead and continue fixing up on my videos for this watermark to show in the rest of my my videos. So other than that, catch you in the next video, guys.